Kaya magulo, sobrang gulo.
I don't think magulo dun sa pabor eh. Magulo dun sa hindi pabor.
Dinadala kami sa dismissal, remand, return, whatever is the term, Mr. President. Hindi ko alam bakit kailangan tayo bakit ba tayo namimilipit na ipasok ang isang word that is a synonym or can mean dismissal. I do not understand when a mere advisory can help the court, Mr. President. Why use dangerous words, Mr. President? At saka yung pag-restate mo, ang layo na sa return the issues, ang sinabi mo, wala ko narinig yun. That's why, Mr. President, ganito na lang gawin natin. Mahaba-haba rin yung supposed to be accurately, clearly stated motion. Can we write it down? Can we flash it? Para makita na natin yung fixed wording. Because I never heard return the issues. Ngayon ko